Hello everybody, this is Code Atlas with Beginner C# course, and in this tutorial we are gonna install all the needed instruments for our playlist. Firstly, you need to decide which code editor you're gonna use. There is two main options for C#, it's Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio is a complete IDE, it is easier to set up, easier to use, and it has more functionality. However, it is quite heavy on the machine. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, is a completely different software, it is open source, it is more of a code editor, but it requires a bit of setup. I would recommend going with Visual Studio, but if your computer is quite old or you just prefer lightweight software, we would cover the VS Code setup too. So, if you decide to go with Visual Studio, then continue watching, otherwise you can skip through the timecode and see how to install and set up the Visual Studio Code solution. So here, you have this website which you find in the description. Make sure it's Microsoft website, not like some other scammer's website. Here you have three buttons. You press this one, the first one, free download, not the free trials because normally you have to pay for these versions, and this is just temporary trial. So press this button, and you have an installer coming here. Then you open it. And for me, I already have it installed, but you'll have this menu open. And here just choose this one, .NET Desktop Development. This is basically everything about the C#. If you want to continue learning web development in the future, choose this one too, but it's not necessary, you can continue download it in the future. Then you press install, I'll press close, you'll have here a quick install, it will take like maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then you'll have your Visual Studio open. This is the Visual Studio. This is how Visual Studio looks like. Right now you're all set up. Next part is gonna be actually using it. So you can wait till the next video, or if it already came out, just see the next video in the playlist. Goodbye. So, if you decided to go with Visual Studio Code, you follow the link in the description. And firstly you see this, but scroll a bit down and you see Visual Studio Code Installer. Here you download it for your OS. You have the installer, you install it. Just click next, 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 accept agreement, don't change any checkboxes, and you have everything good to go. Next one, you need .NET SDK. You can find it on this website, it will also be in the description. Just go there and download the newest version. Also install it, it's all next, 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 accept, done. Then you open Visual Studio Code. Here, the first thing you want to do is download the extension for C#. I already have them downloaded, but you go for C# in the search bar and find C# dev kit. Here you press install, download, you wait, it's downloaded, then you go for IntelliCode code for C#, also download, and you're good to go. When everything is downloaded, you go into File, Open Folder, and choose a folder where you want to create your project. I'm gonna do it in dev on local disk C. Select folder and it's opened here. Next one, we open the terminal through here, terminal, new terminal. Check if it's in the right directory, cdev. Then write .NET new console -n and the name of your project. Let's call it Hello World. Then you want to go into the directory of the project, you can see it here created. To go into the directory in the terminal, you write the command cd and the name of the folder. Now to run the project, firstly you can see the code here. Secondly, if you want to run the project, now you write .NET run, enter. And here you see Hello World. Also, you can press this button, and it will also run your program. So this is it, your Visual Studio Code is good to go. Wait for the next tutorials, or if they're already out, just check it in the playlist. Goodbye.